This was the damage. That was the site of the explosion. Some cars were thrown on the roof. You can see how far. You can see how far from the road. You can see the damage to the building here. There's a news crew from KTN. Yeah. These are car wreckages. You can see that's a car wreckage. Yeah, that's a car wreckage. A whole car wreckage. Yeah, this is a whole car wreckage. The BMW that was thrown by the impact from the explosion. So you can imagine just how far it flew to get to this particular point. And there are more wreckages there, as you can see. Yeah, you can see how far it is. Yeah.